I had to capture this Cougar. This is very unusual with a 351 Windsor, but a 4-speed, folks. A 4-speed. Check it out. Cougar only came out with a convertible for a couple of years. This is just gorgeous. You don't have to look it up. I'll put it in there. Decent interior. I'm not thrilled with those gauges, but that's okay. I love the 8-track with Led Zeppelin in it. This is brilliant, just brilliant. It's got manual windows, no air conditioning, which is not unusual. I'm not going to hold it against the car. It's been done, but I'll take it. Now again, because this is an unusual car, folks, you don't see convertibles with the 4-speed. Body panels are matching up okay, but pretty cool. Just wanted to make a quick over. There's your Marty report on it. All right, what is this? All right, 69, very good. I'm looking at the how many were built. Let's see, I'm not fussy about that stuff. They don't have just general engine transmission. Only 69 were built with this engine and transmission. That is rare, folks. They're asking 35. I'm going to say that's quite interesting. Again, because it's highly unusual. What do you think, folks? Let's check out this poster over here. This is the Falcon. No, it's not the Torino. The Falcon. Remember, the Torino was actually an upmarket Falcon. They evolved it into it. This is a poster, so it's really cool. Sporting a 429. It's got the American racing wheels. Very interesting car here. You've got floor shifter for the automatic, the hood tack, of course. I want to grab over here, just see. It's listed as a 70.5, 70 and a half. And it's got a 501 stroker, fuel injected, C6 auto, 350 in the rear with 31 spline, frames tight, traction bars, nice. 99% rust free that I can see. Drive anywhere. Car sold as is. Asking $18,500. Now this is interesting. It's a very interesting car. Again, quite intriguing. What do you think, folks? Post your comments here. Thank you. How about a little Pinto wagon? Looks like about 72. Let's see how close I am. Spin around. Yep, 72. I love the patch panel that they use there. Boy, interesting welding. A little bit of a flare. That's cute. It's got a 1978 2300 under the hood. Interesting. I like the earlier Pintos because they were just cleaner on the bumpers and such. The panel fit is so-so. It's got its problems, folks. She's got her problems. Look at that. Now, these are notorious. The hinge pins always wore out because those doors were so long and heavy. Pretty cool. It's all there. Well, that's an interesting weld over there. Asking $6,000. Well, hey, they can ask. Let's see what's on. I like this 53. This is nice. Good selection of the American racing wheels. It's got its problems on the rockers, but they're still there. It's pretty solid. I like it. Chrome is pitted, but that's right. It's still a nice looking car. This has the 289 with the Holley 2-barrel. Automatic with overdrive, so that's cool. It's got AC. Drove her here. Nice looking interior. Very nice. Again, 53. Look how clean the styling was. I mean, there's a real nice progression from the frumpy beginning. Just moving right along. This has backup lights. That was an option. Interesting car. Not bad. I'm going to say not bad because they're asking $17,900, which really is not a bad price for her. As is, you probably could do a lot better, I think. But hey, it's a cool looking 53. What do you say?